The Pakistan Markazi Muslim League, a party that is considered to be backed by Hafiz Saeed, has fielded candidates for each and every national and provincial assembly constituency in the 2024 general elections. That is the big breaking news we're getting in right now from across the border. Party backed by global terrorist Hafiz Saeed is going to contest the post. His son, Talha Saeed, is also in the run. He is contesting from National Assembly's constituency, Lahore, NA 127 Lahore, while PMML's Central President Khalid Masood Sindhu is going to take part from NA 130 against PMLN Supremo, that is Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz Supremo, and former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. So, party backed by a global terrorist is going to contest in an election, that is the general election set to take place in February 2024. That is the big update coming in. Once again, we see that how Pakistan continues to give Pakistani terrorists a platform, and this time we can see a direct, and it's all out in the open, that how Hafiz Saeed, who is a UN designated terrorist, his son is going to contest in the upcoming polls. Clearly, this party is backed by the Lashkar-e-Taiba chief of Hafiz Saeed and is going to field candidates in Pakistan. The one who is the 2611 mastermind, a party backed by 2611 mastermind, and his son are going to be involved in the general elections next year in Pakistan. That is the big update we're getting in right now. It's the party called Pakistan Markazi Muslim League that has been set up by Saeed, and my colleague Zeenat is joining us on the phone line for more. Zeenat, of course, once again we can clearly see the involvement and to what extent the terrorists have in Pakistan. A global terrorist, a UN designated terrorist, 2611 mastermind Hafiz Saeed, who set up this party. His involvement is absolutely clear. His son, in fact, is going to officially contest in the polls.
Yeah, see, Pakistan Markazi Muslim League, which is PMML, a party concert which is considered to be backed by the terrorist Hafiz Saeed, who's the co-founder of Lashkar-e-Taiba and has a connections with Jamaat-e-Dawa, which are both the banned terror organization. He's in fact a globally designated terrorist. Now we are seeing that he's backing the party, and they are contesting the upcoming polls, which will be held in the month of February next year. So as per the sources, they have fielded the candidates from each and every national as well as the provincial assembly constituency. In fact, Hafiz Saeed's son, Talha, is also contesting with the polls from Lahore, NA 127. The electoral symbol of this very party is chair. But this tells you about the politics of Pakistan. Pakistan that has always been ruled by the army, and the army has been supporting the terrorism for a long time. And this is not a hidden fact. In fact, whenever we see the infiltration along the line of control, there are several reports that claims that Pakistani army has been supporting the terrorists in order to sneak in. Definitely, if the Pakistani terrorist parties will come in the main game, that is definitely going to tell us that how the picture in Jammu and Kashmir will unfold, because the Pakistan's intention always have been to destabilize Jammu and Kashmir, be it along the line of control or in the hinterland. We think that how the politics will play, whether the people will opt for or put that button to the terrorist-backed parties, that needs to be seen, because we have also been seeing that how the Pakistani people have been raising slogans against army as well. There has been so many protests against the terror organizations. But will people choose these parties that are backed by Hafiz Saeed? That time will only tell, because Pakistan is going to have the polls from the February 8th of the next year.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you so much, Zina, for joining us with those details. That is the big update we're getting in from across the border of US. Hafiz Saeed's son, Talha, is going to contest the posts in the general elections next year in Pakistan. This is a party that is going to have the president of that party says that they are going to contest most of the seats in Pakistan. And remember, this is backed by a global terrorist, a UN designated terrorist, Lashkar-e-Taiba chief, Hafiz Saeed. Remember, FATF's radar. We have seen Pakistan being on the radar of the FATF, and Pakistan has been doing a lot of, making a lot of attempts in order to maybe just, dodge the FATF. But we can just see what's really happening. A terrorist is there participating in the politics, in electoral politics in Pakistan.